Alright, after roughly 2 months of honestly being really sad about moving, I finally started packing. Boxes all over the place. Yeah, there's definitely more work that needs to be done. Alright, so after like 3 months of being like, oh, I can't find it in myself to start packing. Here it is. My room getting packed up. Oh well. Just hope this whole move is worth it. 1 Nerf gun. 2 Nerf gun. 3 and 4 Nerf gun. 5 Nerf gun. 6 Nerf gun. 7 Nerf gun. 8 Nerf gun, I think. I mean, there's some Nerf darts. And there's the drum for the other gun. Alright, I'm now going to begin packing them. These are the guns. Now, I'm a bit of a Nerf gun collector, and you think, oh, you're bit, and that's all you have? No, there's like there's like a giant box already out in the garage. It's pretty big. Yeah. Got more packing to do, so let's go pack this box. Box is packed. It's taped up, it just needs to be labeled. Alright, that should be good for now. This is Merlin. He loves his little puppies. I'm not sure why. I think he knows that he had some part to play in them, but I'm not sure if he knows the part he had to play on them. He's a fluffy doggy though. That's his child. Put the puppy back, Ellie! Alright. I'm getting ready to pack. I got most of the room packed up now. I need to disassemble the bed. Yay! Alright, that is the end of part 1 of moving. Alright, let's recap what we did. We packed up the Nerf guns. We packed up my bed. We took down my shelf, except I forgot to record that. And, yeah. Part 1 done.